Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you know, today I'm in my beauty room because I'm going to straighten my hair. I washed my hair last night. Actually no, I washed my hair this morning, put it in a braid and went to work. Didn't put no product in my hair, anything like that. Just kept it nice. And this is how it looks. It feels nice and soft. Of course, I'm using my Marc Anthony Professional hair products that I continue to really love, which I need to go back and buy some more because I'm kind of running out of my shampoo and conditioner. But I really love those products. They're amazing. I love the way they make my hair feel. It's so soft. It smells amazing. Okay guys, sorry I had to go into a voiceover because my husband was watching TV. He was making so much noise, and in the beginning he was watching TV, but I hope that you guys can't really hear it. It's so sorry when I do videos I can't have the house all quiet because I do live with my husband. He is here. I have a dog. So yeah guys, right now I am just prepping my hair. I washed it, did all that good stuff, and now I'm just spraying this Fructis, which I really like it. I just don't like the texture of it, so I tried to mix it with the L'Oreal one that I love so much. So now what I'm gonna do, I love this brush. This brush makes it so much easy, so easy to straighten my hair. Bad enough like to get those little hairs and really like straighten. I go over it a couple times. I do need to get a new iron. This one's good. I got it from someone at my job like 3 years ago, 4 years ago, and it works fine. It goes to 400 degrees, but I just feel like I need a new one. But yeah, it makes my hair so nice and smooth. But the reason why I like using both of these, the Fructis and the L'Oreal together, because I feel like it gives me the shine that I need and also the softness that I need, and it keeps my hair straight, like dead straight. The L'Oreal one keeps my hair dead straight for legit 3 days. The other one is just by itself. I just can't. I'm not feeling it by itself. The Fructis one. Comment down below if you guys use the Fructis flat iron. I just by itself, I just can't. I feel like it makes my hair still smells good and nice. It just, when I run my fingers through it, it just feels kind of rough compared to mixing the L'Oreal and that one together. Like my hair is so beautiful and just like legit guys, so soft. So yeah, right now I'm just, partying. I do try to take little pieces at a time because my hair is really curly, and I want to make sure that I take all the waves, all the curls. I do not want, and of course I hate those little baby hairs that I have in the corner. I hate that so much. Those are really hard for me to flat iron because I don't want to burn my face. But yeah, I haven't straightened my hair, I can say, in a good couple months. Like I haven't straightened my hair. So yeah, I'm excited to straighten my hair. It's been a minute, even though I don't know, because the weather doesn't look so great. So, but anyways, I'm still going to do it. Sometimes I do this when I want a break of washing my hair, putting products in my hair. And also, as you guys know, I love using the products, the Marc Anthony for curly hair. I love those products. They're amazing, guys. If you have not tried them and you have curly hair, try it. I promise you will like it. Like more every day that I try it and wash my hair, it's just, my hair feels amazing and good, and it makes my hair soft. In the beginning I was like, what the heck, like it felt weird, but no, the more you use it, like it was just so good. It makes your hair smell good. The products, the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, the lotion, all that, it's just so amazing. So as you see here, it makes my hair so nice and straight. I love my hair when it's black. Like I was doing it, I had it soft black to kind of make it look more natural, but when I just did it like a week ago black, and I love the way black hair looks. It makes you look so youthful and pretty, and my skin just looks more healthy and glowy, and it just looks pretty. So yeah, I'm just taking little pieces at a time. Little pieces at a time, guys, because if you take too big of a chunk, then it's just gonna still be wavy. You gotta keep going over and over and over. And as I'm going, I'm adding a little bit of more of the spray, the L'Oreal one, because that one really makes my hair really straight. And the brush, I don't know where I got it. I forgot where I got it from, but you can find it on Amazon. I think you can get it in Walmart, also in Target. But look how fast it like straightens my hair. It kind of helps you like legit straighten your hair. So I really love it. It helps me a lot, because before, girl, my arms used to hurt like crazy. But yeah, so I really love this iron as well too. It's BioSilk. I really like it a lot. I might buy another one, a newer one. But yeah, guys, any recommendations of flat irons, please comment down below. Let me know. So yeah, guys, I hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far. So I'm just gonna do one side, and then the other one I'll do off camera. But for now, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more we keep trying, leaving us with scars. I've been told I should go and find myself again. Been told my soul, leaving home, the
talking for an hour, we just can't find the end. We won't understand each other. I wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more we keep trying, leaving us with scars. I've been told I should go and find myself again. Been told my soul, the more we keep trying. Been told my soul, find myself again. We keep holding on for nothing. We both know we pretend we should go, but we keep trying to find a reason why we can't move on. I think we're scared to be alone. We had our times, but now I know that they are gone. Wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more we keep trying, leaving us with scars. I've been told I should go and find myself again. Been told my soul, the more we keep trying. We've been talking for an hour, we just can't find the end. We won't understand each other. I wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more we keep trying, leaving us with scars. I've been told I should go and find myself again. Been told my soul, the more we keep trying. Been told my soul, find myself again.
Okay guys, as you can see, this side is nice and straight, more longer, and this is this side. I wish my hair was this straight. I don't have to do my hair. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do this side off camera, and I'll be right back when I'm finally done with my whole hair. Okay guys, so I'm back. This is the final look of my hair. It feels really nice and healthy. It's really soft and really straight. I love it. I wish my hair was naturally this straight, but it's not. It's really curly. So yeah guys, these are the two products that I mainly use when I am straightening my hair that's straight. This one is because it's Sleek It Iron Straight Heat Spray, and it lasts for 3 days. Your hair lasts, like legit lasts 3 days, nice and sleek and straight. Doesn't bother, it could be raining, whatever, and it keeps your hair nice and straight. And I love the way it smells, from L'Oreal. This one too, I like the smell of it. But when I just use this alone to straighten my hair, I don't like it. It makes my hair feel like nice, like rough. I like my hair to feel like I can run my fingers. See, I can run my fingers through it. That's using the L'Oreal one. So I just mix both of them together, and they work perfectly fine mixing them both together. But just using this by itself, I'm not really a fan of it. but I do love the way it smells. It smells amazing. So I figured these two together legit makes my hair nice. Look at this, and soft. It looks healthy. Yeah, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video on how I straighten my hair. How I go from that crazy looking natural hair, curly, like legit washed it, put it in braids, didn't put no product in it, to basically nice and sleek and straight. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my socials. Guys, make sure to turn on your post notifications so you do not miss a video that I upload. Also, make sure to subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your mom, tell your aunt, tell your whoever it is. Please tell them to make sure to check my channel and subscribe. Like I always say, may God bless you.